This is how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bitget. In this video, I will walk you through how to transfer this USDT from my Binance exchange to my Bitget exchange. This is my Binance exchange app. I'll be transferring this USDT 6.5 USDT to my Bitget exchange. To do that, I will click send. Send is going to be on-chain withdraw. That is going to be through network withdraw. So you click on-chain withdraw. You can see my USDT is already here. But if you can't see your USDT, you can always search for the token. If it is other token like BTC, all the listed token on Binance that can be moved will come out. But since I'm transferring USDT, I will just pick USDT. Just tap it. This is where you put Bitget USDT address. That is the destination address where the USDT is going to. But before we go to Bitget, to pick the address, we have to check the network we are going to use. We are going to go for the most cheapest network to avoid unnecessary gas fee. You click network. From this network, you can see the minimum withdrawal you can do is $10 for BNB Smart Chain network. That will give us a zero fee. Another option we have is Tron, but the minimum also is $10. And the amount I have is $6. So Aptos 2 is $10. So I'm looking for something less. Polygon is cheap, 0.02, $4. I can move minimum of $4. So I can transfer $4 from here to Bitget, from Binance to Bitget. That is if there's Polygon network on Bitget. Let's look for other network that we can use. Arbitrum 1, 2 is there. We can move 0.36. The fee is also okay. So we have Polygon and Arbitrum. We will go to Bitget to go and see if there is Polygon, POS and Arbitrum 1 network. Otherwise, the best network to use for this kind of transaction is BNB Smart Chain, because you are on Binance. It will always be zero if the amount you are sending is more than $10. This is my Bitget exchange app. Since I want to deposit USDT from Binance, you get to home first, then you see where to deposit. So you click deposit. You can see add funds. I have crypto asset. I'm not using my card. I'm not using P2P. I'm not transferring through the bank, not through third party. I have crypto from another exchange account. I will choose this option. I will tap here, tap there. You can see these are all the current crypto listed that I can move money from another exchange. As at the time of this video, all you need to do is to click up here to search. You'll be able to search all the cryptos that is available. You can see you have to watch out for suspended. Since my option is USDT, you can see USDT is only SUSDT that is. So this USDT Theta is okay. You tap it, Theta. You see, as soon as you tap Theta, all the network came along with it. Don't forget, we can't use all this network because of the amount I'm sending. This is the best network to use when you are transferring out of Binance. I'm transferring out of Binance and the amount I have is less than $10. So I'm looking for Arbitrum or Polygon. So you scroll down. Look at it. This is Arbitrum. There's no Polygon. Okay, there's Polygon too. But I prefer Arbitrum. Let me use Arbitrum. So I will tap Arbitrum. I'm using Arbitrum. So you can scan this with your app to capture the address. But I will copy this. You can also save and share through email, through WhatsApp to anybody that is sending money to you. I'll just click here to copy. I've copied it. I'll go back to Binance. This is my Binance exchange. What I've decided to choose is Arbitrum network. I will scroll down to choose Arbitrum. I will paste the Arbitrum wallet address that I've copied. I will paste it here. Paste. It's already pasted. The minimum amount I can send is 0.36 cents. That is 36 cents. I'm sending everything. I will type maximum. So all I need to do is to click withdraw. Don't forget, ensure you cross-check what you've copied to be sure that everything is okay. You can even go back to the destination to cross-check the wallet address that you've pasted to be sure it's correct one. I'm sure it's correct one. I will just click confirm. I will authorize it. Using my authenticator, I will get back to you. Look at it. Withdraw processing. So now it's sending. You can go back to Bitget to go and see the money. I'm on Bitget. I will refresh to see if the money is here. So all you just need to do on Bitget is to check your asset. This is where asset is. You can click asset. You can see your USDT is already here. You can also see, coming back to Binance, there's no funds under USDT again. So you now have your money inside Bitget. So this is how you transfer USDT from Binance to your Bitget exchange account. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.